Hello, hello guys. Actually, I'm starting a new course on data science, and it will be going to be free, and I will be covering every topic of data science like machine learning, and I will try to upload of actually the videos of deep learning, and I will be covering about the few libraries of Python, which used in which uses data sciences like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. And firstly, we need to know about what is data science. What is data science? Okay, what is data science? Data science is an disciplinary field that uses scientific method, process, algorithms, and system to extract knowledge and insight from many structured and unstructured data. Data science is related to data mining, machine learning, and big data. It's Data sciences is all about predicting how good is our how our data can be useful for our business or some to or some in some artificial intelligence field, like we can use data sciences in medical science, like if we have cancer or not. These type of things uh, can be done by the artificial intelligence, and data science is a part of artificial intelligence. Analytics. That is an umbrella term that encompasses data analytics. It In data science, we need to know about data analytics, like how we can analyze the data, big data, and get some helpful and meaningful things from that big data. So career path, we have actually so many career paths in data sciences. We can go into machine learning engineer. We can actually go into AI, artificial intelligence. We can be a deep learning engineer. We can be a data engineer. We can be a data. We can get into data mining, or we can be a data scientist as well, or business analytics, business intelligence, or there are some more career path into data science skills we need. There are some skills we need, like programming skills we need. There are two options which are basically preferable, like R or Python, but I will be covering in my videos in Python. And we also know about maths for the data science. And don't be get scared, because statistics is not that difficult. If you try to like put an hour uh, daily routine to around 30 to 60 days, you will be knowing statistics very easily. It's basically start from mean, median, and mode, and things get a little bit bigger afterwards. And that there is nothing to be scared of statistics, and it's all about statistics and linear algebra. And linear algebra is little bit tricky, and but if you try to work on these things, these are the things that aren't difficult. And you also need to know how we can visualize the data. Like there are some other platforms like Tableau and Power BI. These are the things need to visualize the data for our company. But actually, so we for that we need to visualize our data for our ML models as well. Like if we are creating a model, we need to know how the features of the data, like columns of the data, are helpful in building that model. Then these are the things like we need to know. Data wrangling is the part where we need to collect the data from the internet, or we need to scrap the data from the internet. And let's I think I will be covering NumPy pandas later on, but I am giving you just a brief description of data science. So now I will going forward and giving you the brief description of machine learning. It is actually the study of computer machine learning is the study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience. It actually improves automatically from the data we have, and there are so many algorithms available for machine learning, and which helps them improve automatically through their experience. Like we are human. We get experience by watching things. Like we don't know things when we were like a kid, when we were kid. But the things now we have experience, we can predict. Our brain has like an artificial mind. Artificial, not artificial mind, it's intelligence. Is all about intelligence. It's a natural intelligence, but our machines are going super powerful, and they are becoming artificial. They have gets the mind in the name of artificial intelligence. And if we talk about the machine learning algorithms, there are two types of machine learning, like three types of basically. First is supervised learning, and another one is unsupervised, and other one is like reinforcement learning. And I will be going to cover these things in my next video. But I think you get to know, and we will be working on Python only. And I have another playlist where I will be uploading one project each a day. I will try to do that. I have taken a idea to cover it for 500 days, like 500 projects for 500 days, one at one on a day, one at least one in a day. So, and this is my first video, and I will be covering the whole data science course with like 10 to 20 minutes video of each. And so in the next video I'm going to cover like supervised learning, unsupervised learning. So thank you.